Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel, mom of two. Today we're going to be tackling the nursery. This is going to be a relaxing yet soothing and calm clean with me. I can't believe we've made it into another year and here we are. One of the things I want to learn to incorporate more is just to slow down, do what I can, breathe, and enjoy the little moments, because one day I won't be cleaning up a nursery. So I feel like stress is such a big part of your health, and just learning to enjoy the little moments, even the joy in cleaning up and taking one space at a time, and don't beat yourself up, because as a mom, sometimes I think we do beat ourselves up if we don't get to everything, or we rush. But you know, just slowing down sometimes, relaxing. Hopefully this video helps you to do that. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos. Trying something new for myself, and maybe it will be enjoyable and helpful to you guys as well. Don't forget to follow if you're new, and I'm just gonna turn on some relaxing music and let you guys enjoy. So this is actually Ace's old dresser that I used for his diaper station as well. I did put marble contact paper on here when I gave it to Ace and built it for him, and it still has held up really well. It's great for wiping off, and it actually protects the furniture. So I highly recommend this little hack for any baby or nursery station that you may have. I also use a lot of satin around the house to protect my little girl's hair, and so I put one on her pillow up here, so as I'm changing her diaper, her hair is still protected. For her clothes, if I have any heavy stains, I will use this OxiClean spray and spray those areas, especially where she's had blowouts, and it works great. Refilling her diaper station is literally one of my favorite, most therapeutic things to do. I have posted several videos on social just doing this. They went viral, but it's just something that is enjoyable at the moment because they won't be in diapers forever. But if this was something you also enjoy to do, drop me a comment and let me know, because I can't be the only one. Also, anything in the nursery that you see is likely available in my Amazon storefront. It may be in my Walmart storefront as well, but check my links in the description and the comments for more information of how to find it. Now these little disposable pads I came across has been game changing for me and Zuri. Every baby's not the same. I did not need these for Ace, but for Zuri, since she's been born, she will have blowouts randomly all the time. Every time we would put her up here on the diaper set. So these have been helpful. But again, every baby is different. You know, I didn't need them with A's, but I definitely did with Zuri. So if you guys want them, they're also on my Amazon store as well. So when I filmed this, Christmas was just wrapping up, and these were some of her outfits for Christmas and her photos for her pictures. If you guys didn't see any of our Christmas pictures, we did a lot. So definitely go to social media, my Instagram or Facebook, and you guys can see all of those pictures. Okay, in all honesty, normally I turn my robot vacuum on to come in here and vacuum her room when I'm done, or the husband will get it because he's our master vacuumer around the house. But because he was busy and I'm changing out my robot vacuums to do a different one, a new one that I got. I decided it's just quicker for me to go ahead and vacuum in here real quick. For filming, but yeah, usually it's the robot vacuum. Probably in the next video you guys see a robot vacuum back in here. I try to give you guys a realistic cleaning, so in case you had the same amount of time, you saw how much I was able to get done realistically in real time. And we're all done. Make sure to check out my other kitchen relaxing video for a calming kitchen clean. If you guys enjoy these, I'll see you guys in my next video.